Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Each Saturday I do a SheModern manicure or something of the sort using only SheModern products. This week we're going to be doing stamping using the sticky stamping polishes and some pigments. So we're going to dive right in. I've got my paper towel ready, SheModern scraper. I've got 2 Easter stamping plates here. I've only got 3 to my name. I cannot believe that. I went through all my stamping plates. This is it. So we are going to be using this image right here, as well as these bunny ears. So, oh, let me get my nails. They have fallen and they can't get up. So I'm using this beautiful, beautiful lavender set here. It is by AB Gel. I've had this for quite some time, quite some time, so I think you can get it off of Amazon. It came in this little gift set here that came with, I think, a lamp, but I'm not really certain because it's been so long. But this is A177, and then it's 2 coats. And this beautiful, beautiful lavender here. So check out AB Gel on Amazon. Okay. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to start with the middle nail. Going to go out of order. So out of order. I'm going to be using, what am I doing? 3 different sticky stamping polishes. I'm going to be using the opaque white, pearl pink, and the opaque black. The pigments, glitters I'm going to be using is the Sparkle Jet Black Glitter Pixie, Shimmering Pink Rose Metallic Pearl, and the Sheer Neon Purple Sparkling Pigment. That's my plan. So on this nail we are going to do this image right here. And I'm going to be using the pearl pink. Give them a quick shake before you start. Always shake up your stamping polish, as Tina says. So do that. Now, with a sticky stamping polish, you have a window. You don't need to jump right in. I mean, I'm not saying sit here and have a whole conversation before you scrape your card. Oh, I'm opening up a brand new jelly reinforced sticky stamper. I'm sorry about that, but this is reinforced, as many of you know. It has a plate inside the bottom that is removable. Oh, that's not a good pickup. I should not have bumped my gums. So let me clean this up real quick. Let's go back in and not talk so much. Once you scrape and get it on the nail, you have a window per se. I'll show you. Beautiful pickup. Get your lint roller. Remove anything you do not want. Look at that. That is a beautiful, let me find something dark. That is a beautiful, beautiful pickup. So we're going to stamp across the nail. There we go, there we go. Beautiful transfer. Always put your stamper between each, as well as your plate. Now, I'm going to be going in with the, which one did I do here? I think I did the shimmering pink rose. You don't have to jump right in. The new formula stays sticky for quite some time. So you have a window you can, they're sticky. And I should be doing this over the same paper towel. So, do this over the corner. Tap, tap, tap. You're not going to be needing a whole lot. Tap, tap, tap. Do not rub. This is the key, ladies. Do not rub this in. You're going to smear it. This is sticky. Tap it off and go something off to the side, not in your work area here. I'm going to let it sit for just a minute. And you're going to brush this off. I'm not using my fluffy brush. This one's got some stability to it. So it's my recommendation, don't use your fluffy. So I'm going to brush this off now, off to the side. And here we go. We got some cute pink bunny ears and a tail. I'm assuming that the tail could be the nose, but that'd be an awful big nose. So we got that nail done. Let's do the pinky nail, the baby nail next. Next I'm going to be using the black sticky stamping polish. We're doing this ear here that's all linked over. I think it's kind of cute. Cute, cute, cute. On top of this, I'm going to be using, oh, that made me go. The black sparkling. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Goodness me, oh my. Finger plate. I got my friend Missy texting me at 6:12 in the morning. That's what my phone was doing. I can't put it on silent or vibrate. Let me try to get this up here where you can see me. I'm using the sparkling jet black glitter mix. Tap, tap, tap. My mother was with us, and if she needs me, I wouldn't be able to hear the phone if it's on vibrate or silent. So tap that in. This bunny's gonna have a black ear. There we go. I think that is really cute. Hope you checked out SheModern's live on YouTube yesterday. Earlier in the week, I'm having trouble with clear and foil. So I talked to Tina earlier through the week. Gonna be using the white on here now with this image. So I went to Tina and I told her I'm having trouble, I can't get the foil to transfer. And I'm using the SheModern foil that they had on the website for a minute. I did try other foil too. It's not having the best of luck. Was not having the best luck. So I went to Tina, she's like, come to live on Friday. You know, we'll tackle this in the live video. So I'm like, cool. So I hope everybody went and checked it out. If not, you can go to SheModern on YouTube here. rewatch it, pick up all the tips and tricks that she teaches. It's very helpful. Very, very helpful. I try to apply what I learned here in my videos. So here we are with the last stamping image. I should have did that ear over a little bit more. There we go. We fitted it. It fit it. We fitted it. Is that right? I don't think so. Clean your stamper. I really should have put those up. I wanted to put the little bunny tail there, but whatever. So we're gonna tap on the pink shimmering what is this? Shimmering pink rose metallic. I love this one. Love, love, love this color. Just tap it in. Do not rub. Tap, tap, tap. Tap it off to the side. Take your brush, remember it's not a fluffy, so some with some stability to it. Wipe it off. And we got us some bunny ears. Hope you can see this. I realize this is so cute. I'm very happy with their stamping for today. So I'm gonna clean my plate. Last and final time. And here's my other one. This plate here is a BM, which is Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology. H09. I probably got this in the clearance department. This is True Joy 052. 052. I definitely need to, there's some holiday stamping plates, that's for certain. So we are now going to pause, clean up my mess, and I'll be right back. Okay. We are now going to apply some little bunny ears. Right, you got a pearl and some 2 gems. I got these from BRC Nails tipsxpieces.com. I'm a brand ambassador for her company, Cherie Baby 10. My discount codes are all in the description box. I am a brand ambassador also for SheModern.com. NailedIt67, all caps. So we're going to apply some top coat. I'm not going to be using my glossy today. Now, everybody knows I'm a glossy kind of girl. But today we are going to be using SheModern's Sheen Satin No Wipe Gel Top Coat. There's less glare on this when you're taking pictures, Tina says. So we're going to try this out. Move my stuff. We have some bling here up to the side as well. Float it over your image. Beautiful coverage. I love how the black sparkles. The pigment I used there. The Sparkle Jet Black Glitter Pixie. I think that is so pretty when it's top coated. Make sure you top coat your nail completely. Gives you a good coverage. Now, I'm using my top coat. I always use my top coat to hold my items on. My charms, my bling. If it's a bigger charm, I use my Modelones gem glue. But I'm not, I plan on reusing these, which you can, depending on how you, how you put them on, what you put them on with. I'm trying to find my wax picker upper. Oh, there it is, in the wrong container. So, oh no, these are a little heavy for the wax picker upper. Let me check these out. Oh, good placement, but let's straighten her out over here. Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay, we got those on. Oh, my hair's starting to go numb. Don't want one that big. Don't want one that small. Let me pause, my hand's starting to go numb, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Sorry about that. I got carpal tunnel, and sometimes my hands go numb. Trying to find the right size blade that I want. That's not it. I'm going to use this one right here. That will work. Little mess, little mess. Oh yeah, this one's a little big, but whatever. So these two are in the lamp. So I'm gonna get these out now. For the back on the stand, put them in the lamp as a group. Give them a full 60-second cure, and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back and out of the lamp. Manicure is finito. Here we are at the tail end of SheModern Saturday. Our first Easter manicure. I think this turned out really super cute. Really super cute. Check out SheModern.com, their catalog, and do yourself some shopping. Use my code at checkout, NailedIt67, all caps. BRCNailsTipsXPieces.com. SherieBaby10, SherieBaby10. 10% off on each. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Have a blessed day, and thank you.